Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, we will multiply the value of 6 into and display the results using GCash programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our video tutorial for today for free in my two websites. Okay, so we have your problem number 3. Write a program to multiply the value of 6 into and then it will display the results on screen. So we have here a series of comments and then we have your if and main, the starting point of every Rust program, begin. And then I declare two variables a and b. Let a equals 6, let b equals 2. So we simply assign another variable, multiply. Let multiply equals a asterisk b to multiply, print line exclamation point backslash n to the product of curly bracket 0 and curly bracket 1 and 2 dot backslash n a b and multiply, and we close the body of our if and main. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our video tutorial for today. Let us go ahead with our Visual Studio Code. So right click, we run the code. Okay, so our program is running. The product of 6 into is 12. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on multiply the value of two given numbers in Rust programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.